Okay, so next up we have iron 3 solution, and as you can see, iron 3 solution is generally pale yellow in color. So now I'm going to add in a few drops of NaOH. So as you can see, there's formation of a reddish brown precipitate. This is iron 3 hydroxide, FeOH3. And this reddish brown precipitate remains insoluble even in excess sodium hydroxide. Okay, next I will add in a few drops of aqueous ammonia. So same thing, you will see a reddish brown precipitate of iron 3 hydroxide, and this reddish brown precipitate remains insoluble even in excess aqueous ammonia. So for Fe3 plus ions, it will give you a reddish brown precipitate that remains insoluble in both aqueous NaOH as well as aqueous ammonia.